How to add slow motion in Openshot. Want to create a dramatic effect or highlight a moment? Let's see how to add slow motion in Openshot. Drag your clip into the timeline and right click on it. Now from the menu, hover over time and then choose slow. You'll see a few options like 1:2 speed, 1:4 speed or custom settings. Click the one that works best for your project and the clip will stretch out on the timeline, slowing down the playback. You can preview the effect in the viewer to make sure the pacing feels right. If your clip starts to stutter, try recording and importing at a higher frame rate for smoother slow motion. Have you tried adding slow motion before? Let me know in the comments below. And that's how easy it is to add impact with just a few clicks. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.